In the vast, untamed wilderness of Alaska, an ancient call echoes. A primal urge. What drives millions of creatures on an epic migration across the unforgiving ocean? What unseen forces compel them to return, year after year, to the very waters of their birth? Below the surface, a pulse quickens. Above, the silent majesty of the Alaskan frontier stands guard. This is where it begins. A story of instinct, of immense scale, and of a journey about to be intercepted. The stage is set for a monumental event. Every year, with the change of seasons, a remarkable phenomenon unfolds. The wild salmon, driven by an innate biological clock, begin their return. A journey of thousands of miles, fraught with peril, culminating in a surge towards freshwater spawning grounds. But before that final push, a critical window opens. A brief, intense period when the ocean teems with life, ready for harvest. It's a natural rhythm, centuries old, and humans have learned to anticipate its beat, to become part of its powerful current. Across the designated fishing grounds, a formidable presence gathers. The commercial salmon fishing fleet. Hundreds of vessels, from nimble day boats to larger tenders, lie in wait. A flotilla of specialized craft, each crew poised, each vessel a finely tuned instrument. They are a temporary community, united by a common purpose, a shared anticipation. The air hums with a quiet tension, the calm before an inevitable storm of activity. They watch. They listen. For the signs. For the signal. Then, a whisper. A ripple. The subtle indications appear. Diving birds. Disturbances on the surface. Or perhaps, the telltale blips on a sonar screen. The schools have been located. Not just a few fish, but thousands. A colossal, living mass, moving with a singular purpose. The quiet anticipation shatters. Engines roar to life. The chase begins. A frantic ballet of boats, each jockeying for position, understanding that this fleeting opportunity demands swift and decisive action. The bounty is here. The primary tool for this massive harvest is the purse seine. A monumental net, hundreds of yards long and dozens deep, meticulously deployed from specialized boats. It encircles the vast schools of salmon, a living wall descending into the depths. The boat races, letting out the net, forming a colossal circle. It's a feat of synchronized movement, demanding skill and experience, transforming a vast expanse of open water into a temporary corral. The wild run is paused. Contained. The trap is set. As the net closes, a breathtaking sight emerges. Thousands of salmon, trapped within the mesh. A shimmering, thrashing mass of life. The sheer density is almost unbelievable. Each fish a testament to the ocean's bounty, a piece of Alaska's wild heart. The net strains under the weight, a vibrant, struggling tapestry of silver and red. It's a powerful reminder of the abundance these waters hold, and the immense scale of the harvest unfolding before our eyes. A moment of both wonder and immense industrial capture. Now, the arduous task of retrieval. Massive hydraulic equipment, designed for immense loads, grinds into action. The net, heavy with its writhing cargo, is slowly, steadily hauled aboard. Winches groan, lines tighten, as the sheer weight of thousands of salmon is lifted from the sea. It's a display of human ingenuity, harnessing power to conquer the ocean's depths. Each movement calculated, each pull essential, bringing the wild harvest closer to the waiting deck. A mechanical ballet of brute force and precision. With a final surge, the net breaks the surface, spilling its shimmering contents onto the deck. Thousands of salmon, fresh from the cold Alaskan waters, cascade onto the vessel. Deckhands move with practiced efficiency, sorting and organizing the catch, ensuring it's quickly transferred into refrigerated holds below. It's a scene of organized chaos, a testament to years of experience. The first stage of the journey from ocean to plate is complete. The wild bounty secured, for now, within the belly of the ship. The fishing boats, their holds now laden with the ocean's treasure, turn towards shore. The remote processing plants, nestled along Alaska's rugged coastline, await their arrival. These facilities are the next critical step in the salmon's transformation. What happens inside those unassuming buildings? How does raw, wild fish become a packaged product? The answer lies in a blend of traditional skill and modern industrial scale. The journey continues, from the wild blue to the structured environment of the factory. At the docks, a new spectacle unfolds. Massive vacuum hoses, or powerful cranes lifting colossal bins, swiftly transfer the catch from the boats to the shore. It's a relentless, continuous flow, a river of salmon moving from the sea to the initial stages of processing. The efficiency is staggering, designed to handle immense volumes with speed, preserving the quality of each fish. This transfer, from vessel to factory, is a critical bottleneck, a moment where the scale of the entire operation truly becomes apparent. Once ashore, the salmon embark on their factory journey. The initial phase involves primary sorting. Different species, varying sizes, distinct destinies. Workers, with keen eyes and swift hands, begin the separation. This vital first step ensures quality control and prepares the fish for the specialized processing lines. It's a foundational process, an initial classification, before the automated systems take over. Every fish is a unique specimen, yet each must conform to the factory's precise demands. The transformation accelerates. From manual sorting, the salmon move into the realm of advanced machinery. Automated fish sorting systems, equipped with optical sensors and precise mechanics, now take command. Each fish is scanned, weighed, and classified with astonishing speed and accuracy. Unseen calculations determine its exact trajectory, guiding it to the appropriate processing line. It's a symphony of automation, reducing human error, maximizing efficiency, and preparing millions of fish for their next stage of transformation. The industrial scale truly shines here. The heart of the processing plant. Here, rows of automated filleting and cutting machines hum with controlled power. Raw salmon are fed in, and with swift, precise movements, mechanical blades transform them into perfect fillets, steaks, or portions. Human oversight ensures quality, but the sheer volume processed relies on this mechanical prowess. It's a delicate balance of speed and precision, designed to minimize waste and maximize yield. The wild fish, now meticulously prepared, moves closer to its final form. To preserve the pristine quality of Alaska's wild salmon, time is of the essence. After processing, the fish enters flash-freezing tunnels. Extreme temperatures rapidly bring the core temperature down, locking in freshness, flavor, and texture. It's a crucial step, suspending the salmon in a state of suspended animation, halting spoilage without compromising its inherent goodness. This technology is vital, allowing wild Alaskan salmon to reach dinner tables around the world, months after its harvest, tasting as fresh as the day it was caught. From the icy embrace of the freezers, the salmon moves to the packaging lines. Automated systems meticulously wrap, seal, and label each product. From whole fish to individual fillets, they are prepared for distribution. This is where the wild catch officially becomes a global commodity, branded and ready for market. The packaging protects, informs, and presents. It's the final touch before the journey out of Alaska begins, carrying the essence of its wild waters to consumers everywhere. The transformation is nearly complete. After packaging, the finished products are transported to cavernous cold storage facilities. Vast warehouses, maintained at sub-zero temperatures, hold immense inventories of frozen salmon. Pallets stacked high, silent rows stretching into the distance. It's here that the salmon awaits its final dispatch, a temporary frozen slumber before resuming its journey across continents. This immense storage capacity is a testament to the scale of the Alaska fishing industry, ensuring a year-round supply of this prized wild protein. The Alaskan salmon's journey is almost at an end. Refrigerated trucks, powerful vessels designed to maintain precise temperatures, are loaded with the frozen cargo. They carry the product across Alaska's rugged terrain, to ports and airports, connecting the remote wilderness to the global supply chain. This final leg of transport is critical, ensuring that the integrity of the flash frozen fish is maintained every mile of the way. From a wild ocean encounter to a meticulously controlled logistical operation, the cycle nears its conclusion. From the chilly waters of Alaska to kitchens across the globe, the wild salmon arrives. A testament to nature's abundance and human endeavor. It graces plates in restaurants, fills grocery store aisles, and nourishes families far from its oceanic home. This journey, from a shimmering school in the vast Pacific to a perfectly prepared meal, is complete. The mystery of its migration, the efficiency of its harvest, and the precision of its processing all converge in this final, delicious resolution. Alaska's gift to the world. Yet, the story doesn't truly end with consumption. It's a continuous cycle, a delicate balance between harvest and renewal. The Alaska fishing industry operates under strict regulations, designed to ensure the sustainability of the wild salmon runs for future generations. It's a commitment to responsible stewardship, understanding that the bounty of the ocean is not limitless. The wild salmon, in its instinctive drive, will continue its migration, and the fleet will return, year after year, perpetuating this timeless Alaskan legacy. The journey of the wild Alaskan salmon is more than just a harvest, it's an epic saga. A tribute to the untamed beauty of Alaska, the resilience of its wildlife, and the tenacity of its people. From the thunderous ocean currents to the hum of the factory floor, every step reveals a profound connection between nature and industry. It's a story of survival, of efficiency, and of a vital resource managed with foresight. The mystery of the salmon's call endures, ensuring Alaska's enduring legacy as a bastion of wild abundance.